The yeas are 219, the nays are 212. The motion to concur in the Senate amendment is adopted.
The major bill to overhaul the nation's health care system is now headed to the White House. It only needs the president's signature to extend health care benefits to 32 million uninsured Americans.
America's workers and America's families and America's small businesses deserve the security of knowing that here in this country, neither illness nor accident should endanger the dreams they've worked a lifetime to achieve.
Late Sunday night, the House agreed to a previously passed Senate bill, narrowly getting the number of votes necessary for passage. A separate package of fixes for the big bill still has to be approved by the Senate. Now there will be many changes to health care, which makes up a sixth of America's economy. Some won't be implemented for several years, but one that starts immediately is that insurance companies will no longer be able to deny coverage to people with pre-existing conditions.
This act that was passed tonight is an all-American act, honoring our founders' vows to the future and honoring our commitment to the future by making it a healthier one and a fiscally sound one.
For the first time in the country's history, most Americans will be forced to get health insurance. The government will provide tax breaks for those who can't afford it. If you can't afford and choose not to be insured, you'll be fined.
In this economy, with this unemployment, with our desperate needs for jobs and economic growth, is this really the time to raise taxes, to create bureaucracies, and burden every job creator in our land? The answer is no.
The legislation also closes a gap in the Medicare prescription drug coverage over the next decade, starting with an election season rebate of $250 for seniors facing high costs this year. Children can also stay on their parents' insurance rolls until the age of 26 under the new bill. A concern for months has been the huge cost of the new program. However, the nonpartisan Congressional Budget Office has said the legislation awaiting the president's approval would cut the deficit by $138 billion over a decade. John Belmont, The Associated Press.